Understanding, Wear Your Retainers, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very specific, yet widely used phrase, wear your retainers. This phrase is not just about dental care. It's a perfect example of how English uses verbs and objects to form meaningful instructions. So, let's get into it and demystify what it really means to wear your retainers. In English, the verb wear is used in various contexts. Generally, it means to have something on your body as clothing, accessories, or other personal items. For example, you wear clothes, wear a watch, or wear glasses. The key here is understanding that wear implies something you put on your body and keep on for a period of time. It's not just about putting something on but also about it staying on you. Now, let's talk about retainers. Retainers are dental devices made of wires or clear plastic. They are custom-made to fit over the teeth. After someone has had braces to straighten their teeth, retainers help keep the teeth in their new position. So, when we talk about retainers in the context of wearing them, we're referring to a key part of dental care and maintenance. When someone says, wear your retainers, they are emphasizing the importance of maintaining the results achieved from orthodontic treatment. It's not just a casual recommendation. It's a crucial part of ensuring that the time, effort, and money spent on braces don't go to waste. Wearing retainers is about preserving and protecting your smile. This phrase is commonly used by dentists, orthodontists, and sometimes by parents to children who have recently had their braces removed. It's a reminder and an instruction that's crucial for dental health. In English-speaking countries, this phrase reflects the commonality of undergoing orthodontic treatment and the universal need to follow through with care. We hope this explanation helps you understand not just the phrase, wear your retainers, but also how English combines verbs and objects to create meaningful, actionable advice. Remember, learning a language is about piecing together the small details to form a bigger picture. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English every day. See you in our next video.